Well, do you work in the office the whole day like I do, and yet you want to stay fit, but you don't want to go to the gym because it is nice outside? You want to enjoy the weather? Yes! And maybe I can help you in this video. Well, almost all gurus of the internet and YouTube advise that consistency on YouTube is the key. In order to stay popular, relevant, trendy, you have to upload videos at least once a week. And videos don't have to be super duper long. Just 3.5 minutes is enough. And here in Hoppy Stories we have decided to follow on that advice, and we are going to upload videos at least once a week in order to stay consistent. Today we are going to try wheat beer in Belgian style, and we are going to listen to instrumental music, Western music in West German arrangement. Well, I have acquired this record by chance, by mere luck, and I haven't heard or seen the music on this record anywhere on YouTube or in the internet. It's instrumental, played by Eddie Williams Orchestra, probably from Western Germany, and my favorite tunes are Yesterday Man and The Sound of Silence by Simon and Garfunkel. The introduction to Sounds of Silence is phenomenal. I have not heard similar anywhere else, and so far it is my favorite instrumental play of The Sound of Silence. Let's enjoy it. Well, now let's try the beer. Belgian style wheat beer called Belgian Moon with mango. Well, Belgian Moon is brewed by Molson Coors, one of the largest breweries in North America. All Canada, all United States drink beer produced by Molson Coors, but Belgian Moon stands out because of its European style taste. This is original Belgian Moon. This is the mango flavor. The cans are a little bit damaged because while I was filming I dropped them 3 times. The explosion of foam is gonna be in epic proportions. Well, let's pour it. Well, let's try it. Well, it has definitely flavor of mango, refreshing beer. Smells like red wheat. Refreshing beer just to catch up with the summer that has left us. But since it's still warm, it's a perfect beer for outdoors. Okay, sun has set. We don't have a lot of time. Let's talk about sport. I work in the office and I have a gym membership, but while it is nice outside and warm, I don't want to go to the gym. It's overcrowded, sometimes it is very hot there. So I have decided to exercise to stay fit outside. Let's see how you can do it. If you want to exercise while you're working at work, you need to go to the gym in your lunchtime. Well, that is it for our today's short episode. If you like it, please like our video and comment on it. We like your comments. You can even write what your favorite summer beer is, and we could maybe try it next time. Most importantly, tell us if you like our show. And until next time, din din.